Well, here we are on the balcony in Marrakech, 28 degrees or so. This is one of the local locks, not one of the markets. It seems to be quite common in these North African states, these things. Use them on all the lockups and shops, even the houses actually. They cost about £1.20 result. So let's have a go at it. And yesterday I was walking through the souks, which are the Berber markets around here, and one of the guys was locked out. When I got there, a couple of scroats and hammers and chisels and all sorts of stuff. Kick the fuck out of it. Anyway, I wormed my way through the crowd because I've got my little jack with me, with the intentions of helping out, and it was a Euro lock. By then we'd smashed the out of it. We got the door open, but what a mess. So, obviously, not many locksmiths around these parts, I would not think. Still, would have been a good experience. Would be very interesting. There we go, and she's off. Job done. I did find as well yesterday a lock repairer, lock maker, antique one. Fantastic stuff in there, absolutely brilliant. I've got a few pictures, so I'll put them on the forum shortly. Managed to have a chat with him, go into his little workshop, and even buy one of the old locks off him. Brilliant. And here, just to finish off, here's the view from the balcony, overlooking nice gardens. See you later, chaps.